Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Triangle Exercise 6.5 question number 2. Let's see the question. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. There is one triangle PQR. Let me draw a right triangle PQR. Here. Let this be the right triangle. Now M is a point on QR. M is a point on QR such that PM, so it is perpendicular to QR. So this angle will be 90 degree. This is a right triangle, so I am marking it to be a 90 degree over here, and also PM is perpendicular to QR, so it will be 90 degree here. We need to show that PM square is equal to QM into MR. PM square is equal to QM into MR. That means we need to prove, as it is in into, if it is in multiply, remember that we are going to prove it by similarity. Yeah. If it is in plus, if it is a square and plus, then we need to go with the Pythagoras theorem. Here it is in multiply. We need to prove it by similarity. Now let me take two triangles, that is the similar triangle here is one smaller one with a bigger one. Same way with the smaller one and a bigger one, we need to prove that two triangles are similar. So taking triangles, so given angle P equal to 90 degree, angle M is equal to 90 degree. To prove is PM square is equal to QM into MR. Now for the proof, let me take one smaller triangle and the bigger one, that is in triangle PQR, and for a smaller triangle the angle M should be equal. So as P is equal to M, start the triangle with M. MQP is my smaller triangle, MQP. Now you know that angle P is equal to angle M is equal to 90 degree, which is given. Now we know that angle Q is equal in both the triangles. In the smaller triangle also we have angle Q. The bigger triangle also we have angle Q. So it is common to both. If it is 30 degree, for smaller also it will be 30, for bigger also it will be 30. So the angle is equal. So therefore you can write angle Q is equal to angle Q, because it is common in both the triangles. By A similarity we can say that triangle PQR is similar to triangle MQP. Now we have proved one triangle is similar, so let me mark this to be 1. Now let me take another triangle, this smaller triangle with the bigger one. So in triangle PQR and triangle P is 90 degree, so we need to start with the 90 degree. I am taking the second triangle, this triangle. So MPR, because R is common in both. We need to check whether the two triangles are similar way that the angles will be equal. So P is equal to M, R is equal to R. So now we know that angle P is equal to angle M, which is equal to 90 degree. As I said before, it is given. Same way here angle R is equal to angle R, common. Now from this we can say that two triangles are similar. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle MPR. This is 2. Now you check your first one and the second one. These two triangles, that is, it is PQR and PQR, which is similar to another triangle of triangle MQP and MPR. That means the bigger triangle is similar to something, means these two triangles are similar. If a bigger triangle is similar to another one and the same bigger triangle, that is, even this is PQR, even this is PQR. PQR is similar to something, means smaller triangles, means then these two triangles will be similar. Therefore triangle MQP is similar to triangle MPR from 1 and 2. So we have proved that two small triangles are similar, then we can directly write the sides in proportional. That is MQ by MP is equal to QP by PR is equal to MP by first and last by first and last. Now multiplying, we want MP square, so multiplying this two, the first, I am taking the first and last. Now writing according to the order what they have given, it is QM. So first the M value are at the back, so MQ or QM both are same. PM is equal to PM by MR. Now multiply, cross multiply both, this becomes PM square is equal to QM into MR. This is what we need to be proved, so we have proved it, hence proved. That's all with the sum. Thank you.